Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create buttons with the Button Factory for your mobile app. It's a great tool that allows you to create custom buttons for your application. So you're going to want to go to dabuttonfactory.com. So kind of a funny name, but it's a great free tool. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create your button here with these tools. The first is your text over here. And one thing you're going to want to do is when you create your button size, your text, you need to consider what the longest word you're creating. So let's say that this was business training. Right here, we would put that in. We would train ing. Oh my goodness. And you would create the words there. Now you're going to come over here and you can select your font, and I think let's go this one that was kind of fun, like this one, or you can select, there's a handful of them here. This one here, business training, or we might go something like Roboto. There we go. So there's several different fonts that you can select from. This one I like a lot, Caviar. It's kind of a clean look. Okay. Then you can determine the size of your text, and you can increase that or decrease it, what have you. Set your color for your text and then shadows here. The thing that we want to do with the applications is a typical button, a standardized size is 40 pixels high and 40 pixels high. What you're going to want to do is set this to a fixed there, and you want your height to be double of what you want it to be, so it's a higher density. So if I'm selecting 45, I want to make my button height 90. Okay. Now my width, 140 is a good width on that, but it'll depend on the words here. Then I'm going to come up here and select what I'm creating. So I can do a rectangular box, so it's just rectangular. I can do a round box there, or I can do a round like this, okay? And so I can create the buttons in that fashion. And so I can actually do that. And then I'm going to set my color. I can either have gradients or unicolor. And let's say that I want unicolor. I'm going to select my color right here, and I'm just going to paste in my color. So whatever my color code is that I have, I'm going to paste that in there. So there. Now, these are too small there, so I'm going to up the width of the button here and make that a little different. And then I'm going to make this font just a little bit smaller. Once I have that done, I can create a shadow if I want a 3D looking button. So if I can put in a shadow here so it has some depth. And from there, once I do that, I just click download, and it will save the button into whatever folder I want it to be in. And then I go there and leave my colors the same. And let's say it's product training would be my next one. And I can just basically set up and do product training. So that's a quick way to do buttons. It's pretty simple. The Button Factory is a great tool to use those with, and we'll show you another one using Inkscape. So thanks. If you have any questions, get in touch with us at the support at themobileappshop.com.